Good morning to all our residents in Umdlatuze and everywhere else. It's a very special morning that we are here at Pelican Island. Next to me is Survivor South Africa, Rob Bentel. And you know, a few months ago I was forced to close Pelican Island because of the public's bad behavior. And community members, including Rob, came to see me and said they've got an idea, let's open it under better conditions, stricter conditions. And I said yes, and we put together a fantastic plan. And the whole idea is to open Pelican Island to the public again on the 1st of June, Sunday. It's going to be a fun-filled day. The opening will be obviously going forward under very strict control conditions. We're going to basically have a gate with a security guard, etc., etc. We'll share more information later. But yeah, I'm here with Rob this morning just to let everybody know that on the 1st of June we are going to open Pelican Island again to the public. And over to my friend Rob, he's going to be the face of Pelican Island.
Thank you so much, Christo. Appreciate that. Yes, please don't miss out. Next week, Sunday, 11 o'clock. This is opening back to the public finally once again. It's been ages. We've been wanting the island to be reopened. It's going to be a family island, clean, fun-filled family, games, adventures. It's going to be almost like a survivor island. So please don't miss out. Next week, Sunday, bring your families, kids, all ages welcome. Let's have some fun. Beautiful prizes to be won as well. See you there.
See you there.